Hindi ko pa siya na-siya. Box this one. Oh my god! Hey everyone! Today is Sunday. So happy kasi may upcoming rocket na naman ako. May magpapaturo sa akin ng saya Mapua colleges, Malayan colleges. And for now, I just want to have a Watson's haul kasi sobrang tagal ko na to nabili guys. So hindi ko pa siya na-unbox. So this is my katas ng rocket. I mean, binili ko to kasi wala na akong mga stocks and I just want to treat myself for Watson's haul, for Watson's products. So, hindi naman siya masyadong kamahalan guys, pero I just want to buy something for myself. I bought this one, a cotton rounds panty liner. So, ito yung mas makapal na panty liner guys kasi may manipis lang na panty liner. And this one, Miracle Glow Revitalizing Soap. New product. So this is a serum, illuminating serum, glow radiance. Ayan. Sa Colgate. So dalawa yung laman niya sa loob. So dalawa yung tube niya sa loob guys. It's a value pack tube Colgate. Yes, this is a buy one take one. So this is a retinol gluta youthful radiance. So this is whitening serum lotion. This is from Lux Organic and nag-sale sila guys. Buy one take one at nabili ko lang to around 300 plus lang. So dalawa na siya. Aloe vera soothing. So this is a face hydrating sheet mask. So, maganda to siya guys. Medyo may kamahalan lang siya. Like 49 pesos. Pero isa lang yung sheet. Pero sobrang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda nito. Of course, our napkins. So, this is... Guys, loyal talaga ako sa sister. Kaya, this is what I always bought. Kasi maganda siya gamitin. And of course, Ipilin hair remover. Yeah. Next is Lux Organic Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. So, hindi ko pa siya nagamit, guys. Like, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko pa siya magamit. Pero, gagamitin ko to. And next, last one is my favorite lip balm, Goosey. This is from Barn Blaze. This is Peach Mate. Yan. Maganda talaga yun. Pangalawa ko na tong bili guys kasi maganda talaga yung shade na 04 sa akin. This is from Barn Place. That's it. And yeah. So today, lalabas muna ako kasi gusto kong kumain. Pero nagluto naman ako lately. Pero parang hindi pa ako nagusto. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed my Watson's haul. Okay. Anyway, hello everyone. So I have a parcel here from Shein. And I guess nyo kung ano siya. So let's unbox this big. This is my bigger purchases. This is my bigger purchase from Shein. This is my second time to purchase, so to buy something at Shein shop kasi hindi ako nag-Shein talaga. And then, lately, I was so obsessed with the lights or something lamp kasi may nakita akong coffee shop na ang ganda talaga ng lamp nila. And then, like ko talaga yung lamp na yun. Kaya nahanap ko siya sa ibang app like Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada. I don't have Lazada app, pero luckily nakita ko siya sa IG. And then, may nakalagay doon Shein Philippines. Then nakita ko siya. And then, yun. excited ako kasi ang na-obsess talaga. Sobrang gusto ko talaga siyang bilhin. Bahala na lagi ko na ako yung kwarta guys. Basta gusto ko siyang bilhin. And then, oh my god! So, let's unbox this one. Oh my god. Lump. Mushroom lump. And hindi naman siya medyo kamahalan guys. Ma-afford mo lang talaga siya. Pag may pera ka siya. This is what it looks like. So, ito siya. And then, I'm super excited kasi sobrang gusto ko talaga siyang bilhin. I don't know kung bakit gusto ko talaga siya. And may ano siya guys. Freebies. Clumps. May freebies. Oh my god, so excited! Wait. Ay! Oh my god! So cute! Look at that! Oh my god, so cute! OMG, ang laki pala niya. Akala ko sobrang liit lang. Pero malaki siya. Oh my god. And this is the, may sizes ba doon? Parang wala namang sizes pag-order ko nito eh. Ang laki pala niya! Hello! Gado ko one day. Wait. I thought it was smaller than I expected. Pero ang laki pala niya. Parang hindi ko bagay sa mga ano natin. But it's okay. We'll try natin. Ang cute kasi niya guys. Like, it's super cute. Apat na light. Hindi ako marunong mag-review guys. Pero I just try to review it. So let's try this one. Look, kailangan siya open. Ay, adapter din guys. Adapter. So let's put this adapter. And let's try this one. Look! Try lang. Traditional change is like super white and super light yellow, something ganon. And yung yung gusto ko talaga is yung parang super yellow siya. Ito ganito. Kasi pag white lang, it's okay naman kung white. Yan. Okay lang naman yung white. Pero mas gusto ko yung medyo yellowish. Ito, ganda! Oh my god! Cutie! Guys, look at that! Lakas maka-aesthetic. Super! I love it! My god! And guys, mas maganda siya pag gabi talaga kasi parang ang ganda ng room mo. Ito yan dyan guys. Tignan nyo. Ang cute niya. And hindi ko pa alam kung saan ko pa siya ilagay kasi ang dami. Wala akong table pa guys. I don't have a table yet para malagay ko siya. So yun. Guys, malaki pala siya. Akala ko maliit lang. Ang cute na. Tapos ang bilis lang niya i-assemble guys. Like you just have this one like that. So ayan, ibalik natin yun guys. Ang dali lang talaga yung assemble. So I have a parcel again. Unboxing na naman tayo. Kakabising ko lang. A parcel that's a side table again. Pero hindi na siya for, bedside. Hindi siya pang bedside table. Parang coffee table lang siya. Tada!